So we're gonna do this an old song. We think you might know it. Yeah, I think so. So, how do you think you can tell heaven from hell, blue sky from pain? Can you tell a green field from a cold steel rail, a smile from a veil? Did you think you could tell? Did they get you to trade your heroes for ghosts, hot eyes for trees, hot air for a cool breeze, cold cup of a change? Did you exchange a walk-on part of the war for lead roll and decay? How I wish you were here. We're just two lost souls swimming in a fishbowl, year after year, running over the same old ground, but haven't found same old fear. Wish you were here. I wish you were here. We're just two lost souls swimming in a fishbowl, year after year, running over the same old ground, whatever found the same old fear. Wish you were here. We'll be back. We're coming to the end, peeps. Where is it? There it is. All right, we'll be back. I promise you.
What do you do with the drug?